Which one size is this?
Hey, want some tennis roll? Good morning, everybody. Look what's going on here. I have plans to go do some videos today, but the rain came down. Now look at the clouds, overcast. So I don't know what's gonna happen here today. So I'm gonna wait out and see what's going on. It will clear up. A little later this looks like it's gonna clear up. Take a long time to clear up. Now by 8 o'clock in the morning, it's probably gonna clear up till after midday. With the look of it. So we'll see. You know what rain falling over there? Ah, for be better. Alright, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. If the rain clear up, we're gonna see you later, I guess. This is only about 10 minutes after I spoke to you guys last. And look what happened here. Things look promising. Sun come out there. Only the side of the back here. Got some cloud, but this side clear. East side clear. Still raining a bit. But you're looking promising, you're looking promising. The rain I showed you all this morning was around 7:30. It's now about 9:15 and the place clear up. I'm gonna show you out here. We're going down by the gas station there. See, clearing up nice. I'm going out to the gas station here by Park Tennis Road. So there's a catching up public road out there. Everything's still wet. Very heavy downpour. Some tennis roll here. Bring a hook. Hey, want some tennis roll? Tennis roll, pocket tennis roll. How much? 200.
First one for me, this is easy.
How still?
Easy.
Okay, that go work. You're hungry.
200.
Yeah, put it on there. Same time you come to the Katrina gas station, you can reach my friend here.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, man. Yeah. Till about 2 o'clock.
Come here 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Alright.
And the night before, they late so they come here so you can never walk.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta get your rest, bye.
Yeah, remember the whole day I walking.
I know.
Everything good though?
Huh?
Okay, alright.
Yeah, everything good. Read the home side in. And of course the side gonna be for Rico side, right? Alright man, later. Alright, so we're gonna go out and do a little video for you guys today. I don't know exactly where we're going yet, but I'm gonna do something. There was someone who watched the video and asked if we can go around the street around the ground, which is the main street. I didn't know that was the main street. Oh yeah, it's here, man. It's here. Alright guys, so this is supposed to be so this is supposed to be the main street here. Yeah, come down a little slower. Safe way, right? Full feed? Yeah.
Paddy brand.
Yes. Okay guys, so I think the guy was mentioning the street that wrapped around the playground, which is this, or maybe not, because you can remember when we went here, they had a lot of stones. Yeah, I go get some. Okay, so I think that was where the person asked for me to. Alright guys, so we just went there. We stopped at this market right here.
Potato ball? You want potato ball? No.
Potato ball. Yeah.
same thing. Ôi, có tủ chút.
Aku pun ada saya kan tutup. Apa yang ambil mabi?
Mày bán à? Lại sang tiền chút sang mà đi. Bây giờ.
Cane juice, cane juice.
Okay, so ni mabi.
Oh, Mavi, Mavi, okay.
Bây giờ là cái
How much? 200.
How much you want? You want that?
Yeah.
Big one, what is? And give me one chicken ball and egg ball separate. No,
Take away, you say?
Take away. I'll get it. That is your friend. Oh, really? I didn't say that. You speak
Ai tu nama sawi wan?
Mix it on here.
Ai wan semua?
Mày có sẵn bây giờ? Bây giờ paper. Sorry,
Mix it,
còn
take
mix
away.
it. Hey, give me the thing to carry for the bag. What, which one is this? Is pepper and this is sour. You can make some. Wait, then I can, huh?
Sini satu ada sini cool one. Hey. Kau kemana nak buat?
Did I show just sour in there? And you'll bring an extra one.
Yeah.
You take
Mana kuam ni?
Ata.
Nah, lah, kau kan dah